If I'm averaging realized gain better than 1.5 to 1 in terms of like my monthly drawdown to my gains, that's where I want to be. 2 to 1 is better, sometimes harder, just given, the nature of the world. But if I'm averaging that my monthly drawdown is 1 to my monthly gain, and I'm not talking in the daily. Some of you guys are trying to get that stuff in the daily and the hourly and the minute, and that's a really bad recipe for disaster because especially with auto traders, it's going to mess you up. I just want to be able to survive the crazy moments and the oops, something happens and make 20, 30, 40, 50, 60% in a month. You can do that. If I can help you do that, your life is never going to be the same in 1 year from now. And yes, you probably need a little bit more than $1,000 to start with. There are people who literally have withdrawn a couple of $1,000s from the US 30 thing. They've withdrawn quite a bit in terms of even their own scalping using golden strategy. A couple people have withdrawn over $10,000. A few people have passed challenges. And most of these people are not over risking. They're just going really, really small. They're just trying to keep their drawdown within check and get to their payout. That's it. Your life can be dynamically different.